Hey, beautiful people, it's Ashley here. I just want to say hi and give you guys a little update on how things are going in the cabin. It's actually been pretty good. We've had to stay in the last couple of days though because it's been snowing and just so windy and so cold. So there hasn't been a lot of garden or anything like that. So pretty much what we've been doing is just keeping the wood stove stocked, organizing, and putting up like spice racks, things like that. Personally, like for business wise and unschooling and things like that, it's been um, mainly a focus for business. Let's start there on doing collaborations with like-minded people, entrepreneurs like yourselves, just trying to keep everybody inspired, motivated, thinking positively. Trying to get them healthier and wealthier naturally, the same stuff as I was doing before. Just collaboration seemed to be something that's working very well right now. So been putting some extra focus into that. Also with my affiliates, because we're homesteading now and it's spring and then summer and then harvest. I'm not going to be taking on very many clients. It's going to be like 1 to 3 max in this time. So a lot of the calls that I'm doing are now only 15 minutes long. And in that time, I'm mainly giving referrals out to other people, other coaches that I love, other coaches and trainers that I've worked with, and of course, my affiliates, which is the Institute for Integrative Nutrition, and the high impact coaches. So if that's something that you're interested in, or you just want to see how it is that I'm running my business in that way, you can email me, ashley@elementalgrowth.org, or check out elementalgrowth.org. And finally, I guess when it comes to the unschooling, things like that, the big one has been trying to get out for a hike every single day up the rocks and around the shoreline and stuff like that. I don't know if you can see out here, but there is a nice frog pond. It's huge pond, and then behind that is a lake, and so we will canoe on there on warmer days, and most days, even on those warm canoe days, we're still taking a hike along the shore. Up the rocks, we've created a little path and stuff. You'll be able to check that out on other videos. Another thing is for like actual schooling and things like that. Finn is reading actual like books with me. We're not really reading his kids' books, but he is asking me while he sees me reading to read him what I'm reading. So that has been a really good thing. And then what else? And then we're using YouTube to our advantage as well. So being in a log cabin things right now, there is like a lot of bugs here, and it being springtime, it's the stink bugs. We've got some bees, we've got ladybugs, and so Finn was a little bit freaked out because we did come to the city. Even though we've lived in the country before, Finn was really, really little, and he probably didn't remember what it was like. So when he started seeing all the bugs, he was getting a little bit freaked out. So instead, I was like, well, let's learn about this. This is a great opportunity for learning and to bond with these animals and see what their uses are and see why it is that they're here and how we all work together. So we were using YouTube to teach about bugs essentially for the last week or so. What else? And then just, yeah, reinforcing everything. There is a lot of new here. So, life is school. That's pretty much our motto right now. And it's, keeping up with us grown-ups. And, yeah, and we're running every day up and down the driveway, which is another really fun one. He's learning how to be around fire because we've got the wood stove in here. But also we are, like, burning some stuff in the driveway as well, and so he's learning what that fireplace thing is like. Again, these are things that he's been exposed to before, but it hasn't been a consistent in his life as it has in my life. So it's all pretty new, and life is cool. All right, you guys, I'm gonna sign off for now, and I'll be sending you much love and positivity on this elemental growth journey. I really look forward to keeping you posted on how it's going here. Bye.